Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we shall be making this delicious corn puff puff or BOFROT. Yes, you heard me right, at least that's the name I've given to it. But at the end of the video, if you know any other name, please let me know in the comments section. First of all, she fetched some fermented corn dough into a bowl. Then to that she added some cassava flour. She's adding some sugar and then baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, then salt to taste. This container contains some porridge that we usually use to prepare TZ. She has added that, then some water, after which she will mix this to form a paste. To make the porridge that we use to prepare TZ, all you need to do is to boil some water and then you mix some of the flour with water and pour it into the boiling water, and then you stir it, allow it to boil for some time. Then you take it off the fire and allow it to cool down. So that is what she did to get the porridge that she added to it. As she's mixing it, she'll be adding water to it until it reaches the consistency that she wants. At the end of the day, we want the paste to be somehow thick. Kindly like the video and click the subscription button if you haven't subscribed. Thank you. After tasting it, she realized the sugar was not enough, so she added more of the sugar. So you can actually adjust the sugar when you taste and you realize it's not enough. So this is the consistency that she wants, so we'll set this aside. We already have some oil on fire, so allow the oil to heat up, then she'll scoop some into the oil just like how we fry puff puff. I would like to know if you have made or tasted this before and also the name given to it. Thank you. We will keep turning this from time to time until it is well fried and turns golden brown. And our corn puff puff is now ready. See how lovely it looks, or our corn BOFROT. It looks so yummy and it tastes so delicious. Please let me know if you have given this a try before. If you haven't, kindly go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think about it. And with this, she sells one for 50 pesos, which I think is very affordable. She also makes some kose, and trust me, they both taste so delicious. There are other snacks she makes for sale, which I'll show you in a different video. Yeah, and this beautiful lady is the one behind these delicious snacks. Her name is Tina.